is supporting or unveiling this almanac, a sum of €100. Please, thank you very much. Please clap for him. So please, Chief, Oliver says, Chief, it's well with you. We love you. Come you. Thank you for being in our midst. It's a pleasure. I don't know that your name, please. Tell the public who you are and where you come from. What is it? Okay, I'm telling you now.
Nigeria Queen, Igbo Queen, good evening, ladies. My name is Okweka Steve. I honor this invitation for Dele, who has been very helpful to my family because my wife happened to retire from the same company. So when she sent the invitation across, my wife just put to bed, that's why I came along. Please, I'm so happy to be here. I'm glad to be here. I am from Edo State, Isha particular. We honor culture and know what culture is all about. Please, the organizer, keep it on. What you do today, the next predecessor will take over. Try and lay a good foundation so that those that are coming will have a good foundation to continue from. The ladies, the men, please. Try to be in unity. The unity is not divided before. No matter who is in position as the chairman, the chairlady, take him as your own personal brother or sister. And so we can move ahead. Thank you. I will veil this Amala with some humble.
Thank you. God bless you.